Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Huawei MatePad 12X and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the app gallery, so let's tap on it. Now all we have to do is to enter this Me icon, so our profile, and right here we will have this section with the app updates. Let's simply tap on it. And we will be transferred to the full list of recommended updates. Basically, in my case, I've got only one, but sometimes you will have this list totally extended. So all you have to do is to tap on either on update next to the specific app, and your device will download only this update, or you can update all, and then your device will download all updates available, so it's totally up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.